So over here, you can see that I am in a web page right here. And let's say I want to save the contents of this web page as note. So to do that, you can go around over here onto the Evernote icon right here. You can go around and right click, and over here you can see that Evernote web clipper is here. So you can go around and clip the full page to Evernote, or clip bookmark to Evernote, or clip screenshot to Evernote over here as well by using the web clipper that we installed in the previous video. So if I were to go around onto clip full page to Evernote, then what happens is that it clips out everything onto Evernote right here. So you can see that it says syncing right here, and you can go around and open up Evernote in web or open the Evernote app. So I'm just going to go around and say app right here and click on open Evernote. And since Evernote is installed on my computer, you can see that the Evernote app opens up right here, just like this. So you can see that this is what you have. So you can see that it says saved Evernote Wikipedia in the imported section. So if I were to go around onto the imported section right here, then you can see that everything over here has been clipped right here. So all of the web page right here, as you can see, including the image and everything, it's clipped on over here as a note, just like this. So that is what you have, and you can even see the link right here. So let me just go around and minimize this and close this out. And there are other options over here as well. So I can just clip the bookmark over here in Evernote as well. So you can see that it says syncing. So you can go around and open up the Evernote app right here. So once you do that, what happens is that only the bookmark gets saved out right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So let me just go around onto the imported section. And over here, you can see that only the bookmark and the basic info is saved out right here as note when we selected it out. Let me just go around and right click, and you can see that it says clip screenshot to Evernote as well. So if I were to go around and click on this, then what happens is that it saves out everything as a screenshot now. So if you were to go around and click on open in Evernote app and click on open Evernote, then what happens is that you can see that this is what you have right here. So you can see that this is what you have over here on the Evernote section. You can see that it has been brought in as a screenshot. That means it's a picture. Now you can go around and edit it out like a picture. And that is how you can go around and use out different features of web clipper to clip out different contents of the web inside of notes in Evernote. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.